We're back in the roastery again today to show you how to clean your grinder out. Getting the coffee out of it at the end of each day is really quite simple. You can close the gate here on your hopper to make sure that there's no more beans coming down into the grinder. We then press the button, grind out the coffee that's in there. You'll be able to hear the blades when they're no longer grinding. All the coffee is now out of this chamber. We'll do one more hit there. Noise has changed. There's no more coffee being ground. We take it all out. We can then open up inside here. We can see that the chamber that is underneath the blades is still full of coffee. I don't like leaving that coffee in there. I like to get it out every day, and there's a pretty simple way of doing that is with a vacuum cleaner. Very quick process to suck out the coffee grounds that are left in this chamber. The chamber is now completely clear. I can see right inside, and we know that there's no old coffee left in there. Tomorrow morning, when we get to work, we open the gate again, we grind some coffee. The first few shots that you grind, the first few doses will be under as this chamber gets full again of ground coffee. But after 3 or 4 hits of the button, you'll get the same dose that you got previously the day before.